Hey everyone, in this video we will design this expandable menu bar on click of this button using HTML, CSS and little bit of JavaScript. Start with the boilerplate code and connect the CSS and JS file. Then grab the pop-ins from Google Font. Here I placed an attribute of area hidden because I want to check if the menu is expanded or not. I will explain this more in the later section. As we can see, the div of class menu button is the button we will click to expand the menu. So we will give this div an event of on click of function expand menu. Now our site looks like this. We already have some basic styling, margin and padding 0 to prevent any default styling, box sizing border box and font family pop-ins. Grab the main body div, height 100 VH, width 100 VW, position relative. Menu div main, the div with menu and the button. Position relative left 100%, width of 30 rem, top 20 pixel and transform of translate x minus 104%. Now menu div, where position absolute, height 3.5 rem, width 3.5 rem, transition of all cubic bezier with the value 0.18, 0.89, 0.32 and 1.26 and duration of 700 ms. Write 0 overflow hidden. I will assume you all know what each property does. If you don't know, ask me in the comment, I will get back to you. Next, grab the menu button, background color white, position absolute, width 3.5 rem, height 3.5 rem, border radius 100%, right 0, top 0, transition all, ease in out 300 ms, border 2 pixel, solid of RGB 97. Sorry, we have to change one thing. Go to menu div and change its width from 3.5 rem to 30 rem. Now grab UL with 85%, height 100%. Display flex. We need some space between them. So justify content, space around and make them center with align items center. As for align, we have list style none, font weight 600 and copy the transition from menu div. Just change the duration to 300 ms. Now for the menu lines, position relative, background color RGB of 31, height 0.45 rem with 2.3 rem, margin bottom 0.15 rem, border radius 30 pixel, top 50%, left 50%, transform translate minus 50%, minus 200%, transition of all is 400 ms, margin top 2 pixel, last transform origin left. Suppose we have a rectangular div. If we rotate it, by default it will rotate with a fixed point in the center. But if we change transform origin to left, then it will rotate with the fixed point to the left. By default, transform origin its center. Now at last for menu line 2, give margin top 10 pixel. First in CSS, for menu div, change the width to 3.5 rem and opacity to 0. Define the expand menu function, grab the menu div, menu line 1 as line 1 and menu line 2 as line 2. And lastly, grab the area hidden attribute value from menu div. Let's console log it. Now on click the menu button, we are getting the area hidden value of menu div. Now check if it is 0 or not. If 0, change it to 1, and if 1, then change back to 0. Then we can console log it to see if it is working. As we can see, we are getting alternate 0 and 1 in the console, so it is working. So to expand the menu, change the menu div style in the if. Change the width to 30 rem and opacity to 1. Now on click the menu, it's expanding. In the else, we want to hide the menu. So copy the style code from if and change the width to 3.5 rem and opacity to 0. Now we have the beautiful expanding menu animation. Go to the if section, change the transform style of the line to translate -35%, -250% and rotate to 45 degree. The translate value I found after experimenting with different values. On click, the first line will rotate only. Copy the line 1 to line 2 and transform to 35%, 130% and rotate to -45 degree. Minus because we want it to rotate the other way. Now both line will form a cross sign. And to make it normal, copy the line 1 and line 2 code from the if and paste it in the else. Change the rotate to 0 and transform to -50%, -200%. So on click, it will become normal again. Now you can experiment with the values and make it work for you. Thank you for watching and hit the like and subscribe button to encourage me.